So in this video, I'm gonna break down 3 ad formats that perform the best, that print sales like crazy for clothing brands. That has got my clients more than 6 figures a month, that I've used for more than 60 plus brands that I'm working with personally. Also, before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you want this video to help you, you have to find a really quiet place and pay attention. Like, I want you to give me your all. If not, this video is not gonna be really that helpful to you if you guys don't pay attention and listen to what I'm about to tell you. Like, I want you to give me your 100% just for how long this video is gonna be. Like, just give me 100% for this video, and trust me, the least you can do is walk away with knowing the creatives that are gonna work for your brand and you scaling your brand. Also, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we work with e-commerce brands and help them scale from making $0 a month to making 6 figures in a month. Like, at the moment, we're working with one of your favorite brands. The brands we're working with are known streetwear brands like 80% of you guys know if you're into the streetwear market and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure that you know some of the clients that I'm working with. So if you guys will be interested in working with me one-on-one, like, I'm gonna be doing all the stuff for you, all of the backend stuff for you personally, just hit me up on Instagram or just schedule a call with us down below and we'll hop on a call and see what we can do for you. Like, that's the best investment that you can make for your brand at the moment. Alright, so I just loaded up the Miro wallet right here, as you can see, and the number one most performing ad format that has printed the most sales for me is the flat lay. Like, nothing can outshine a good looking flat lay. That's the easiest creative that you can get for your brand and print. Like what I want you guys to know is that you can never go wrong with a good flat lay. A good flat lay is just it. Like, nothing performs more than a good flat lay. So what I want you guys to do is always run flat lays for your brand if you want your ads to perform. Like, if you have tried all of the content and your ads are still not performing, what I want you guys to do is just go outside and record that flat lay. Record a good flat lay video and a good flat lay photo. Trust me, nothing can outshine a good flat lay photo. Like, as soon as someone sees a flat lay, people can see the quality, the details, all of that stuff that you see in the flat lay. So nothing hides from the flat lay. Like, if your product is good, the flat lay gonna look good. So that's why you can never go wrong with the flat lay. Alright, so these are some examples of good flat lays. As you can see, the background is like the background is neat, just a simple wood background. The hoodie looks good, well ironed, well lightened with good lighting and all that stuff. Like, if you want to have a good flat lay, the lighting needs to be good, the background needs to be good, and also don't forget to clean that camera. Also, one thing I want you guys to know is that lighting is 50% of the photo. No matter how good the background looks, no matter how everything looks, if the lighting is bad, trust me, your picture is not gonna come out good. So just spend some money on good lighting, and also can go outside, but not when it's around 3 o'clock, maybe around 5 o'clock when the sun is down. No hard light. As you can see, it's another good flat lay, good concrete background. Like, that's the best way to get good flat lays. Get a good concrete background. As you can see, the little is showing, everything well ironed, and the product is well laid and all that stuff. It's also another good example, because this was a really good creative and printed more than 20k with this creative alone. These two creatives, these creatives are all for my clients. This one also is my client. Now that we're done with the good part, let's go to the bad part. As you guys can see, number one thing, just this picture is not only the flat lay that looks shit, the product looks shit, and if you have a shitty product, the flat lay is not gonna look good. So as you guys can see, the fits on the pants are shit, the pants are just shit, the spare pants are just shit. So number one thing you need to know that if you're in ads is that no matter how good your creative is, if your product is shit, nothing is gonna look good. All your content is gonna look shit. Then scroll to the next one. What the fuck is this? Like, how can you post this on your Instagram? The product will have performed like 2024, 2023, but this now it's not it. The product is bad. What angle is this? Like, look at, wait, what? How the fuck did you get this angle? You went to the side and did all that shit. And also, why is the exposure too low? You can't even see the products well. And also, the size style of the products are just not it. So you need to do better with this. So what I want you guys to do is find a good angle and take the pictures instead of you going somewhere from the side. What the fuck? Who the fuck is gonna see the products like this and buy the product? Alright, so here's the fix. All you need is a good product. Like I told you guys, if you have a shitty ass product, no flat lay is gonna look good. Like, you need to have a good product before you take good flat lays. Number one reason why you see all these big brands taking flat lays and they fucking look good is because they have a good product. If you have a shitty ass product, like, your flat lay is not even gonna look good because the sizing is fucked up and all that stuff. A good concrete floor, like, you don't really need all that fancy ass backgrounds and stuff like that. Just a simple concrete floor is just it. That's all you need, a simple concrete floor. Like what I don't want you guys to do is go in the middle of the road and take your flat lays there. Like they don't really look good. Like I told you guys, excellent lighting. Like when you're taking pictures, 50% of the job is done by good lighting. So take your time and invest in good lighting, or go out around 5 p.m. Also iron the clothes. Nobody's gonna buy your clothes if the clothes are all wrinkled. Like nobody's gonna see the details and all that stuff. So you guys should just take 5 minutes and iron that clothes. It's not that hard. And also one thing is, you guys need to fucking invest in a lint roller. Just go on Amazon and buy a simple lint roller. It's like $5. Also lay the products well. Take your time and lay the product, and also find a good angle. Find a good angle when you're taking the pictures. Like I told you, as you guys can see, this is not a good angle. The pictures were taken from the side. What I want you guys to do is like take it from here. What I want you guys to do is take it from here, not here, not here, not here. You can find a ladder and go on top and take that stuff. Also make sure the phone is like this, not like this, not like this, not like this, and also not like this, like this. Like make sure the phone is like that when you're taking the pictures. Alright, so now that we're done with the flat lays is just it. Like if you don't want to try that well and also you want to get sales, that's your go-to. Like the flat lays, nothing's gonna go harder than a flat lay, and the flat lay doesn't get fatigued that fast like other creatives. The flat lay is timeless, so that's the number one go-to. Then after you have gotten the good flat lay, then product videos, product focused videos. These are videos where the products are the main focus. Like you're just showing the product, that's it. No lifestyle stuff, just the product, the quality, the fit, all that stuff. Like you don't really need any more than that. Just show the product, because in these videos the products are gonna be the main focus. Like wait, let me show an example. I have 3 examples for you guys. I don't know why it's not loading, but I'm gonna hop on right now and show you. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the product is the main focus. Like what they're doing is just showing the jeans. Like that's it. Like if someone sees this ad, he's gonna swipe away if he doesn't like the jeans, but if you like the jeans, you're gonna stay and watch. So that means you're getting more higher quality people to stay and watch the video, because they already know what you're selling. Like you want the jeans, like you want the product to be the main focus, nothing else. Like the product should be the main focus. They're only showing the product, as you guys can see, the quality, everything like that. Alright, so this, as you can see, this was a really good performing ad. This ad went crazy. You can see the product is the main focus. You can see the details, the wash, the ripped effect. I don't really know what to say, but the rip effect and all that stuff. Like this is a collection post showing the products. Like the products are the main focus. You guys can see here, 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 and here. Alright, so like the advantage of having this type of ads is because you're gonna get more higher quality people to stay and watch, because anyone who stops and watch this one is because they're interested and want to buy the product. Like if you're not interested, you're gonna swipe away. That's it. Alright, so here's another example right here. As you can see, this is just showing the products. Good lighting and just the product, the details. Like based on the ad accounts I'm working with, the flat lay product focused videos are the one that are performing the most. Like number one thing I've understood with ads is that all those videos where they show the background, good cars and all that stuff, it works, but the number one thing that performs is you just showing a product. Like when you're making an ad, you want to make the product to be the number one thing that most people see, the main focus, because based on all the ads that I've shown you, then the thing that worked the most is the flat lay, and that's because all you see is the product. Alright, so after you're done with those two, the third one that performs the most after them is the graphic design. The graphic design is a graphic design with the product and a simple offer. Like nothing crazy. Like this is an example here. As you guys can see, I made this a few days ago. As you guys can see, also a product focused ad. Like you guys can see, all it says is site live now, the product, limited stock, a little bit of scarcity, and then the logo of the brand. This one here, the name of the, like when you have a good product, you just want to let the product do the talking. As you guys can see, we didn't add anything yet. It's just the product doing the talking. Like if you like the product, you're gonna go and buy it. So like that's the main focus of this one. This also another one. Like with me, with my creatives, I like to let the creatives do the talking. Like you don't really need to talk that much. Just show the good product. That's all you need is the good product. The model wearing the product, showing the fit and all, then the product here. This is also another example. As you guys can see, site live now, the product, then limited stock, on the shop, then the logo here. That's all. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make one of these creatives. Let's go with this one. Let's try to create this one. So all you need to do is hop on Photoshop. Alright, so after you have created the file that you want to do, then you just drag the thing here, then you just press on this tool. As you guys can see, this is the tool. this one right here. Then you just click here, Windows C, Windows V, that's all. Then you can delete this one. Then you can middleize this one, middleize it like right here. What you want to do, if you want to change everything, then you go on camera raw filter, load settings. I already have settings that are meant for this. Then you then press load settings, and then if you have settings you can add them. Sorry, but I'm not gonna show you mine because they're for my clients. Sorry. So if you want to get mine, just should look at it down below. Then if you're lucky, we go make it work. Alright, so I just added the settings right here. As you guys can see, it doesn't show that much, but it just adds a little bit of detail. Then if you want, then you can add a drop shadow. Personally, I won't add the drop shadow for this creative. Alright, so after you have added here, you want to go on, press T, then slide live now right here, copy it, then just make it black. Depends on the color you want. Just middleize it, then make it bigger. What the fuck? Why is my Photoshop doing this? I made it 25, then you just middleize it. Also make sure it's in the middle because you want it to look proportional. Then you add a little bit of drop shadow. Now that's too much. Reduce the size. Then maybe the distance a little bit. You don't want it to show that much. You just want it to show a little bit. Then you want to go here, limited stock. Just add a little bit of scarcity, like make people know that you're not selling this always. Alright, so then you take it to the side. Then if you want, I don't really want to add the logo right now because I'm freaking sleepy, but you can. And like that's all you really do. It's so easy. Then after you're done, you can just export it through here. Like that's all you need. And this creative alone can print you more than after $1. Your product is good and you have the right ad strategy behind your brand. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. But if you wanna work with us one-on-one like me to scale your brand one, just schedule a call with us down below and we'll hop on a call with you and we can see what we can do for you. Like this Q4, we ain't gonna play for our clients. All our clients are gonna make more than 6 figures this Q4, and I'm sure of that. If you wanna join our clients and wanna get consistent 6 figures, like just schedule a call with us down below. Let's get straight to work.